Now then, crew, welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, and Tool Girl Sarah has dropped in yet again. She just can't stay away, can you?
I'm warming up.
Jeez, okay. We've got to wrap this up pretty quick because the wife will be coming home soon, and I'll be in the doghouse yet again having Sarah here. Shh, don't tell her. I won't say a word if you don't. Okay, well, behind me is Sarah's bike. I've been working my arse off this week. This weekend, these last 2 days, to get Sarah's bike sorted. Just chuck us the list, Sarah.
Yeah.
Just on there, look. Let's see how. In fact, we've got to run through what we've got. So we've done the head bearings. There's a video on that. We've done the front disc replacement. That's done. A video on that one. Front brakes, brake pads done. Rear brake disc done. Rear brake pads done. We've refitted the front fairing, which is just over there somewhere. That's all back on now. There's a couple of little things still left to do that Sarah's going to do in the morning because I'm going to be away. What else have we done? Oh, you sorted the rear brake light switch. You did that today, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Put all the panels back on. And what else have we done? Oh, I fixed the indicators. Did that this morning. There's a video on that as well. So there's heaps of videos from this project. And the bike is this close to being ready to go for compliance. Oh, I fixed the headlights. Headlights all fixed, all glued up, and little brackets made, and pop rivets, and yeah, it's actually really strong. Doesn't look fantastic, and I wouldn't want to put my name on it, but it's good enough. It'll do the trick, won't it? Mm-hmm. You've seen it.
I think it's pretty good. You did a good job.
Cool. Thank you for that. Right.
Fabricator.
Yeah. Now, so the bike's going to go for certification. We'll let you know how we get on. There might be, I hope not, but there might be a few little things that they pick up on. We're just going to wait and see. Pay them lots of money, they'll pass it. No, they won't.
Bribery.
They really aren't like that. I've tried it already. Bribery. It doesn't work. Now, Sarah, obviously you've appeared in a few of my videos now, and the viewers are fully aware of your existence.
I hope so.
Tool Girl Sarah.
I do exist.
Yeah. But
you better know me.
But they know you exist now, and they know that you're going to be going on an adventure around New Zealand, and this is your motorcycle, and you can't wait to get out on the open road.
I'm stoked.
And have fun.
With a trailer.
With a trailer, yeah. There's going to be a video on that, but that's after compliance, so just hang fire on that one. That's probably going to be a 2 or 3 episode video because there's a bit of machining going on, and there's some wiring to do for some lights, and all sorts of weird stuff, so hang fire on that. But one of the viewers, and he's been a Facebook friend of mine for a few years, a guy called Philip McDade. He messaged me last night.
Hi, Philip.
Yeah, and he said he actually runs a rider training school. So he does, he gets the learners on the road, and then he also does the sort of the professional riding certificates and stuff as well that you can.
I got a friend who's taking that course like today, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it might even be him doing it.
Wow. Well, Philip. He emailed me last night and said, "Hey Andy, I've been following your videos with Tool Girl Sarah intensely." He didn't elaborate on what that was. And he said, "Look, you know I do rider training. Why don't we do, he would like to give you a platinum course for free. So you can go and join him and some other riders for a day.
Oh.
Getting used to New Zealand roads, getting to understand the stupid road system we've got here, in Auckland especially, so that you're a little bit more prepared about the risks of, especially New Zealand drivers on these roads as well, because we have a real multicultural driver skill level here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying that as politically correct as possible. I'm not going to name any particular cultures, but those that live in Auckland can pinpoint exactly the people I'm talking about. So Philip, no doubt, will be in contact at some point. I'll put a link in the description to Philip's website. So if you're in New Zealand and you want some rider training, he is the man to contact. He's a really great guy, and you'll have a lot of fun with his training. He's not the kind of guy that shouts at you all the time. You know, he sort of nurses you through and gives you helpful hints rather than telling you off all the time for doing the wrong stuff.
That's good to know. I don't do well with telling off.
No, me neither. I get really upset and I just go to the pub when I get told off. It's easy to drown my sorrows. So your bike, essentially, apart from the little bit you're going to do in the morning, is done.
It's like, can't wait to get on the road.
It's been a pretty tough 2 weeks, to be honest.
It's been like 3 months waiting for this. Almost 4, actually.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of that was transit, though, wasn't it?
That still counts as waiting.
But I've only been involved for, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
So I work pretty
No,
quick.
he's been working good,
Yeah. So please don't put it on me that you've been doing.
No.
I feel bad.
I just mean in general, I haven't been on my bike in almost, I guess, 4 months it's been. I haven't been on my bike, so I'm like super excited.
Yeah, you have withdrawal symptoms.
Yeah, a little bit. His bike helped though.
Yeah, you had a good time with that, didn't you?
Yeah, had a good fun.
Good fun.
It's fun.
You clocked up a few Ks.
Whippy little ride. Not enough CCs.
No, and it isn't a bike that I normally ride. It's just it's a spare bike. Yeah, my KTM is a lot quicker than that. Okay, well, I just wanted to give you an update. We've done all the work. It's pretty much ready for compliance, and obviously I'll let you know how we get on. You'll find me on. Well, this is your job. You're the tool girl. Yeah, you stand there and tell the people how to. Oh man, the vice. Jeez.
Ow!
You'll get more bruises. Oh, jeez. Okay.
That's great.
All right, so you'll find me on
Facebook, Google, Instagram, and Twitter.
Almost. We got there. You got all four.
Should I do it?
Just in the wrong order.
Should I do it in order?
It doesn't matter because I can put the icons up.
Okay. Facebook, Instagram, Google+, Twitter. So you're going to put them like...
Awesome job. And don't forget, there's a Patreon account. If you feel flush and you want to throw some money this way, drop onto Patreon, become a patron, and you'll also get access to some behind-the-scenes stuff. And I would, as a recommendation, if you haven't seen the other Tool Girl Sarah videos, I put a video out this morning replacing the head bearings on this bike, and there's a little surprise embedded in that video. So check it out. It's an hour and a half long. It took me like 5 hours to edit that bloody video. Honestly, I was up till 2 o'clock this morning doing it, and then another 2 hours this morning. So check it out. It's a really good video, but there is embedded a very small surprise which gives you a bit more background about Tool Girl Sarah. She's going to go home now and watch this video, I can guarantee it.
I'm like, what is this?
Yeah, she has no idea. Okay, all right, guys. I'll see you around. See you next time. Cheers.
Bye.
Over and out.
Ah.
Hey, Tool Girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool Girl shirt, perfect.